What if money isn't just a tangible object, but an idea that holds power over us? What if it's not just a means to an end, but a force that shapes our world, our lives, and our very selves? Money. It's a word that evokes a wide range of emotions in us all. For some, it's a source of joy, a symbol of achievement, a ticket to a life of comfort and luxury. For others, it's a source of anxiety, a constant reminder of the struggle to make ends meet, to put food on the table, to keep a roof overhead. Regardless of our personal feelings towards it, one thing is undeniable. Money is a part of our everyday lives. It's in the steaming mug of coffee that kickstarts your day, in the monthly rent that provides you with a place to call home, and in every little transaction that occurs in between. And yet, despite its omnipresence, how many of us truly understand what money is, how it works, how it's earned, accumulated, and multiplied? The sad truth is, not many. For an entity that wields such immense power, it's surprising how little we know about it. Money isn't just a piece of paper or a number in your bank account. It's a tool, a resource, a form of energy that flows through our society, shaping and being shaped by our actions and decisions. It's a measure of value, a means of exchange, a store of wealth. It's a language that speaks of our worth, our success, our aspirations. If you're a millionaire cruising in a Lamborghini, money is a testament to your hard work, your smart decisions, your triumph over adversity. If you're a homeless person watching that same Lamborghini whiz by, money is a stark reminder of what you lack, of the opportunities missed, of the dreams unfulfilled. And yet the power of money isn't absolute. It's not the be-all and end-all. It's not a measure of your worth as a person or your value to society. It's a tool. And like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how well you understand it, how skillfully you wield it. If money holds such power, why do we know so little about it? Perhaps it's time we change that. Perhaps it's time we demystified the mystery of money. Money, wealth, success, we often interchange these terms, but do they really mean the same thing? Let's begin by debunking a common misconception. Money and wealth, although often used interchangeably, are not synonymous. You see, money is a tool, a means to an end. It's a resource we use to acquire goods and services, or to invest in opportunities. Wealth, on the other hand, is an accumulation of resources. It's having assets that generate income, even when you're not actively working. Many of us have been conditioned to believe that the more money we have, the more successful we are. But success isn't solely about financial gain. It's about achieving your goals, whatever they may be. For some, success could mean running a profitable business. For others, it could be having the freedom to travel the world, or spending quality time with loved ones. Remember, success is subjective, and it's important to define what it means for you, rather than accepting society's definition. Now, let's talk about the importance of financial literacy. It's not just about earning money, but understanding how to manage it, how to invest it, and how to make it work for you. It's about understanding the difference between assets and liabilities, between good debt and bad debt. It's about knowing how to build a diverse portfolio, understanding the power of compound interest, and recognizing the importance of saving for the future. Financial literacy allows you to navigate the financial landscape with confidence. It empowers you to make informed decisions about your money, and it can be the difference between living paycheck to paycheck and achieving financial freedom. So the next time you think about money, don't just think about earning it, think about understanding it. The true value of money lies not in its quantity, but in its quality. How well you can manage it, how wisely you can invest it, and how effectively you can use it to create options for yourself. Wealth isn't just about having a lot of money, it's about having a lot of options. The internet is a vast landscape filled with opportunities for financial success, but why does it seem so elusive? A question that has crossed the minds of many, especially those who have ventured into the online sphere with the hopes of striking gold. The internet has undeniably been a powerful tool in wealth creation, a digital goldmine that has minted millionaires and even billionaires. From the giants of e-commerce like Amazon and Alibaba, to the flourishing world of digital marketing, online coaching, and content creation, the internet is teeming with opportunities. It has been a game changer, opening doors for anyone with a computer and a connection, regardless of their geographical location or background. Yet it's not as simple as it sounds. The internet isn't a vending machine where you insert effort and out comes money. It requires a blend of skills, knowledge, persistence, and yes, a bit of luck. There's no one-size-fits-all formula. What works for one may not work for another. This brings us to the misconceptions around making money online. Many believe that there's a secret, a hidden code that the successful have cracked while the rest are left in the dark. But here's the truth. There's no secret. The internet is an open book. It's information accessible to all. It's about finding what resonates with you, what you're good at, and what you can offer to the world. The challenges are real, of course. The competition is fierce, the learning curve steep. There are scams to watch out for, technological barriers to overcome, but these are part and parcel of the journey. They test your resolve, your ability to adapt and persist. So, let's dispel the notion that the internet is a magical realm where money grows on pixelated trees. It's a marketplace, a platform, a tool. But it's also a catalyst for innovation, a conduit for ideas, a space where passion can turn into profit. The internet isn't a magic money tree but a tool. The question is, do you know how to use it? Navigating the internet for financial success is like navigating a ship through a storm. You need the right skills, tools, and knowledge. Just as the captain of a ship needs to understand the sea, the weather, and the mechanics of his ship, an internet entrepreneur must understand the digital landscape. This includes knowing how to harness the power of social media, understanding the dynamics of e-commerce, and being able to leverage search engine optimization. Imagine the internet as a vast ocean, filled with islands of opportunity. Each island represents a different niche or market. Some islands are densely populated with fierce competition, while others are practically deserted, ripe for exploration and exploitation. Your task is to find the right island, the one that matches your skills, interests, and resources, and then to conquer it. But how do you find that island? By understanding the digital landscape. You need to keep up with the latest trends, understand consumer behavior, and be able to predict where the market is heading. This requires constant learning, adaptability, and a keen eye for detail. Once you've found your island, your next task is to build a presence. This could be a website, a social media page, or an online store. But it's not enough to just build it. You also need to promote it to make sure people know it exists. This is where digital marketing comes in. From SEO to social media advertising, there are numerous strategies you can use to drive traffic to your online presence. But remember, navigating the internet is not just about finding opportunities, it's also about overcoming challenges. Just like a ship at sea, you will encounter storms. These could be technical glitches, negative reviews, or a sudden change in market trends. But with the right skills and knowledge, you can weather these storms and continue on your journey. Remember, the internet isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a platform filled with opportunities for those willing to put in the time and effort. It's a place where creativity, innovation, and hard work can lead to financial success. The internet isn't a get-rich-quick scheme but a platform for creating and seizing opportunities. Financial literacy isn't just about understanding numbers, it's about understanding power. This power isn't about control over others, but rather it's about gaining control over your own life, your own choices, and ultimately, your own future. Let's pull back the curtain on the intricate ballet of money and break down the concept of financial literacy. It's the ability to understand and utilize various financial skills, including personal financial management, budgeting, and investing. Now, why is it important? Imagine you're in a vast forest of opportunities. That's the internet. Without a map or compass, you'd be lost, right? The same goes for navigating the financial landscape. Financial literacy is your compass, guiding you to make informed decisions, helping you to identify the right opportunities, and steering you clear of potential pitfalls. In the vast expanse of the internet, there are fortunes to be made, and financial literacy is the key to unlocking these treasures. It empowers you to recognize genuine opportunities from mere mirages, and helps you to understand the value of your investments. It's not just about making money, it's about making your money work for you. But financial literacy isn't a one-size-fits-all concept. It's a continuous learning journey. The financial landscape changes, and so must our understanding. New technologies, new markets, new opportunities. They all demand fresh knowledge and insights. And the beauty of financial literacy? It's not exclusive to Wall Street tycoons or Silicon Valley entrepreneurs. It's accessible to everyone. We all have the power to educate ourselves to become financially literate. There are resources, tools, and communities out there ready to help you on this journey. So, are you ready to take control, to harness the power of financial literacy? Remember, it's not just about accruing wealth, but about understanding how to manage and grow it sustainably. Because when you do, you don't just gain monetary wealth. You gain confidence, security, and independence. Money isn't just power, it's freedom, but only if you know how to use it.